So, good morning, everyone. This is Prashant Kumar Singh, Director, Akhada Fitness Center, Varanasi. Hope you all are safe and fit during Corona and lockdown. Things are going pretty well to you. So today I'm here to discuss about fitness and my journey towards fitness. So, as we have seen during Corona, people had nothing to work with, and everybody was pretty much concerned about fitness, as everyone was doing workout at their home trainings were going on, running, skipping, push-ups. So at the end of the day, everybody realized that what fitness is. And when nothing is left, it is you and your fitness that is left and that takes you up ahead. So that is what came in my mind around 6 to 7 years ago. I was an athlete during my schools, and sports was a part of my life throughout. So I thought I cannot live without devoting some time for fitness instead of all my businesses and everything. So being into multiple businesses, it was now a high time when I was not able to get pretty much time for my workout, because it takes around 1.5 hours time in the gym. So there was continuously one plan was going in my mind that if fitness, I have to get connected with fitness, then I have to work for fitness, I have to give fitness, I have to teach fitness, I have to think about fitness for me and for others too. So this Akhada, a full-fledged fitness center, fully automatic, modern fitness center, that came in my mind all of a sudden, and I decided to open up a gym. And it was in 2017 November. It came up pretty well by the God's grace. Many of the celebrities have visited our gym. They have appreciated a lot, and we are doing really very good. So there are two things in life that are very much important. One is wealth for survival, money, and second is your fitness, health. As we say, health is wealth. So it is really, people start their schooling, colleges, they just keep on working on their future to earn money. 10% of the students they stay connected with fitness too, but 90% what I see, they get disconnected with fitness, and fitness is health, and if there is no health, there is no wealth. You cannot take it for a long. Everybody must have heard and learned and read about many successful people. They devote time in their day's time, in their 24 hours time in fitness, because fitness connects you to your soul, and the more you are connected to your soul, your willpower goes very high. And if you connect it to your soul, your soul starts guiding you, and you really go high and higher. So to get connected with your soul, you should devote a part of your day, at least an hour of your day, for your fitness, because at that point of time you are thinking about your body, you are completely concentrated about your fitness, your mental health, your mental strength, your physical strength, and that 1 hour of working that drives you to the best successful years of your life. And this you can read to the successful people's story, or you can experience yourself, because this is very much important. I'm not saying that wealth, working, devoting time for family, devoting time for your work, devoting time for your friends, devoting time for family is not important. Everything is important. Have time for your fitness, at least a part of your day. Because one word Lord Buddha said, destroying you to achieve your goal is not the key. Destroying yourself or completely avoiding yourself to achieve a goal is also not a key. You have to stay in mid, and mid is balance. So if you have to have balance in your life, you have to take your mind, health, body, family, friends, work, everybody, everything that has to have a proper time, a proper devotion, a proper concentration. Then only you can go a long way. So that is what important. There has to be a balance. Balance for work, balance for fitness, balance for family. Everything in your life has importance. And fitness is also a huge part and very important part of your life. As during Corona, people are discussing immunity, how to make immunity, right? That is what I'm saying. If you are connected to your fitness, if you are connected to your exercises, if you are connected to some physical activity regularly in a day, your metabolism works so well. And if your metabolism works so well, your immunity goes so high. And if your immunity goes so high, you are already a coronavirus warrior. No viruses can affect you because you are internally, mentally and physically very strong. So that is why everybody must have noticed that on Instagram, Facebook, on all the social media sites, we were noticing there was a lot of, indoor classes for fitness. How we can do exercises at our home, in our room. How can we take ourselves fit? How can we devote our fitness timing without gym? As we all know that gyms are closed since 2 months, and we are not getting enough equipments for workout. But workout doesn't go only with equipments. Workout goes with your devotion. And if you think of anything, you get an idea, right? So push-ups. I'll be helping you out with some physical exercises that you can do at your home. That like skipping, push-ups, free hand squats, jump exercises, stretching, yoga, plank, meditation, stretching. These are the things that you can do at your home without going to gym right now. But when gym gets open, you should really go to gym, as you have lost a lot of your energy sitting idle. So workout, fitness, gym, these are the very important part of your life. They should not get avoided at all, because if you will avoid it now, this will avoid you later. And if this will avoid you later, then you'll not be able to enjoy what you have earned since many years. So if you want to enjoy, live your life, happily and freely. You have to have fun what you have made in many years. You have to make yourself fit, really fit, and you have to think about your fitness too, instead of thinking about only success. So fitness is a very important key. This is a key that opens a huge door of success to go a long way. Because if you are physically fit, then only you can think anything in a balanced form. So I will tell you all a little about our fitness center that is in Varanasi, and that is called Akhada Fitness Center. It is at Kilat Bazaar, above ICICI Bank building, third floor, in front of Trimurti Hospital. So everybody after this lockdown and corona is invited to Akhada Fitness Center. And I'm here to teach you all, tell you all what fitness is, how fitness can be managed, how you have to have an habit of thinking with fitness freak mind that takes you to the successful years of your life. Stay fit, think fit, be fit. Bye-bye.